Welcome, fam. Woke up feeling wobbly, like your body's anchored at the top, but unsteady down low? Tight hips, weak glutes, and stiff ankles can make every step feel heavier than it should. But in just 5 minutes, we're going to rebuild your foundation from the ground up. Let's hit the mat. Start in a tall kneel, hips stacked over knees. Now slowly lower your hips down towards your heels, then squeeze your glutes to lift back up. You're not just waking up your hips here, you're reprogramming how your body handles pressure, control, and balance. I promise just 60 seconds of this will activate the deep hip stabilizers you rarely think about, but desperately need to. Beginners, use your hands to guide your motion. Advanced switches, keep your arms overhead to challenge your posture and core. Here's what most people don't know. Your hips are your power center. Without control here, strength leaks everywhere. Feel that glute engagement yet? Let's hold the bottom 5 more seconds. That just primed your hips. Now let's fire them up. Come onto all fours. Right knee lifts to the side, just like a dog at a fire hydrant. Keep the core tight and avoid twisting your torso. You're isolating the outer glute here. I promise the small move builds serious hip control. Beginners, keep it shallow and slow. Advanced switches, add a small pulse at the top. Here's a little quick challenge. How stable is your left side right now? Don't wobble. Lock it in. Five more seconds. Switch sides. Same thing, other side. Keep the motion smooth, controlled, intentional. Notice if this side feels tighter or weaker. This is where the imbalance hides. I promise, strengthening both sides equally will change how you walk, lift, and sit. Can you pause for half a second at the top? Hold. Now lower slow. 5 more seconds. That just lit up your glutes. Now let's melt into some depth. Slide your right knee forward, shin angled, and stretch your left leg behind you. Sink down slowly, keeping your chest lifted. This is one of the deepest hip openers there is. I promise, it releases years of tightness stored in your hips from sitting, stress, and stillness. Beginners, use a cushion under your hip. Advanced switches, fold forward and rest on your elbows. Here's your checkpoint. Can you soften your jaw and shoulders while holding this? Breathe through it. 5 more seconds. Switch sides. Now lift knee forward, right leg back. Do you feel one side tighter than the other? Don't force symmetry, just meet your body where it's at today. I promise, consistent hip release like this unlocks deeper movement, deeper peace. 5 more seconds. That just released the tension. Now let's bridge that power. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Lift one foot an inch off the floor. Now press through the other heel to raise your hips. Alternate legs every 5 to 10 seconds. This isn't just a glute move. It trains your body to move with purpose, one side at a time. Beginners keep both feet down and alternate heel lifts. Advanced stretches are pause at the top and squeeze for a full second before switching. Did you know that this also activates your lower back and hamstrings? Triple benefit in one. Stay steady. You've got 5 more seconds. That just rebuilds your foundation. Now let's finish with control and rotation. Feet slightly wider than hips, toes out, drop into a deep squat. Now place one hand on the floor, twist the other toward the sky. Alternate sides. Here's your final challenge. Can you stay deep in the squat while rotating fully, keeping your chest open? I promise this last move connects every part you just unlocked: hips, glutes, core, and spine. Beginners stay shallower and use fingertips for balance. Advanced stretches, elbows inside, full twist, eyes follow the hand. Let's make this a game. How many full twists can you do in 60 seconds without losing balance? Breathe, move with control, 5 more seconds, and that's your reset. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. And it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to begin your free 3-day reset. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with a full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, a deeper reset, weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and most importantly, God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us until kingdom.